don't move. You don't boloso. You don't boloso. You don't boloso. Why you call the post your own? You want carry on?
She say I be that rich. She say I don't get anything.
Which country you dey?
Me, I be correct woman for Ireland. Oh, see me, my, but no screenshot me. They video.
I know. Where they was screenshot from?
Look me now. I be big shot.
You get this store. You will give me money. Oh,
no, not be me get out. Not be me get out. I dey work follow person.
You dash me money. You dash me money.
I don't get anything. This hair, I dey buy a credit for Vietnam.
Okay, wait to. You don't say me you give her land. How many plots?
No, I know that my family say, man, not even talk about the issue again. But she I will give you the story privately. I not give her land though. Now the old woman where she bring come out, where she take the beg money. Now the old woman now be pitiful. Say, my cut 50 by 100, give the old woman, made a build. So you know when we God forbid, may God not let us be manipulated. Yeah. I know lie. Now here nowadays, so I know they lie because I be strong prayer warrior. Amen.
I bet you pray for me or they pray. You still pray for me. They have your prayer.
You be Benin.
Me no, I be data, but I be there for me not data, but
I won't speak one Benin. Maybe this my sister will know what I want.
Speak,
I be gay and I be twins. You understand? I be, you know those kind of children where they'll say, oh, today, tomorrow.
Where your second? Where the second?
You know, day na boy. You know,
you park at for road.
And
you park at for road. Doesn't have some people. All I used to say come on road. I bet you still pray for me, yeah.
Go look. You know, say I can't even define that. Say God, if I talk something, the thing they come to pass. I can't ask myself, say where I forget power. They say not from God. I must serve God. Me, they do Ogmanje do everything for me. Since why don't they serve God?
You not walk. You be walking.
Yes.
Eh?
How you say no?
I don't know. And I believe they bomb me now. Twins. A twist way pack sneak more for the fear they get power.
You know, say, I be just naturally love Iyore. And the girl waiting, she don't verify me. Now make her go do something for me.
You know not that agbanji. You not that agbanji.
You know what I did screenshot what I write now. You know what I tell her? I tell her say I can't save her. I don't know why God used me. Come. Sorry, love, please. I won't take time more than 5 minutes. I'm not going to shout because we'll get customers where they work for. So I tell her, I say, see, I say, now God send me to you. Go and apologize to the whole world. Not only to the Oba of Benin. Emmanuel Fikbeg or Bungbe. I said, but me and you know.
You tell her for private. You tell her for private.
My screenshot and give you. I said, call her. Tell her, see what I talk. I go send everything what I sent to her. Now tell her, say, if you not do this thing, you know no peace. You know what she tell me? She said, go and take vitamin C, mumu. Now tell her, say, see, this thing what they tell you. Me and you know.
You call go sufu. Now
tell her, say, see, ma tell you, me and you know, say, you know, they sleep for midnight. Me and you know, say, very soon, if you enter social media, things where you they talk, not go they correct. Because you know why? You feel they say curse where they curse you. You know, they walk. All those prophets where they meet, that they deceive you. I want to let you know today, say, now me, come out, come tell you, because I love you. The people where you they follow, they don't love you. If they love you, therefore don't tell you, say, Iyore. Miro ije now do bungbe. Sister omani mate wa like he ladian. O baba imati ebo. Inwanyo eyata wa ebo me. Now say if you talk there's a way people will gather, they will follow you to Benin. They will return the cost. You don't know why you never marry. You don't know why.
Now they get issue like they tell her be now before.
No. Now when we don't get issue so now they say my block her. I already block her, but I can't unblock her. I can't tell her all these things. She not there yet. She not even say insult me. Her reply was, they go. You are ungrateful person. That thing I say, I don't know good way you do for me why I take day ungrateful. All the things why I get, I don't get them before
Okay,
I start to
if you promise land before you look up, if you promise land, you look up, give the
I
land,
no
you literally break
promise you
quality.
land though. I no promise am land though. Na the old woman now promise. Then the one woman come up, the woman come say if the old woman die, as she not born, go come get am. Now one girl wey they call miracle and faith for there come say e go just be for salt and water. Manipulation, they all manipulate me. The thing can't just
Okay,
sweet
this
me.
old woman, this old woman, so you no get family member.
God bless you. Now there people
Now let the old man they come out for donation. Now let the old man they come out and be person they
no.
stand sit down with am.
Iyore na im dey send one girl wey dem dey call Edo girl go dey bring the old woman come out.
Where the old man they stay, where for the bigger come out, which house, who they stay with?
I no know the house. If people say they
Cause
want
you
donate,
know, every big person come out and who God do.
okay, see
That's
how
why they do
they bring the
donation.
woman come out. Don Polo, see how they bring the woman come out. E get one small girl wey dem dey call Edo girl wey dey work follow Iyore. Now the
Eh,
small girl that will still go the old woman house. The
eh.
small girl will come bring the woman come. I go come put head for the old woman house. They'll come dey show say the woman house dey leak all those things. You go come dey feel for the old woman.
No, why you know it don't do video for go to meet the old woman for us.
Yes, now they do the old, they do the video.
Now who be the woman no get children, no born, who be if you no get family member, they abandon her for the house.
Now since when me and Iyore don take dey get gbasgbo now, I don hear say the old woman family don come out.
They only manipulate now, you people they manipulate now for area. You don't feel can say what do you know? Easy man. You don't extract Nigerians, you don't
No,
extract
wetin I wan just
Nigerians.
come out come talk
You
200
don't
people dey.
entrust.
Bros, no be because say I get problem with Iyore, I dey talk this thing. The few days and the few time wey I take follow am, I just be like person wey be say, I just too dey excited to dey enter that platform, even if I dey do hair, even I dey get things wey I dey do. I no
Now
dey
the
longer
gist,
focus.
now the gist, now make it good. Now the
No be
gist
the
where the
gist,
gist.
no be the gist. I want to tell you, she has a manipulation spirit. That is why I just dey come from Salty Beach this morning. I go pray for a lot of our people. Me, I don't know, say they swear for am. Now, Prince and Princess, they can't send me all those videos. As I see those videos, I can't fear now say Jesus. And the community, why I want for cut the 50 by 100 giver. Now the first tell me say now Ohiyomba, anything that has to do with her, they don't fear accept her for Benin. I don't even see come in public. I call them privately, say, see oh, community say they no give you. My brother, he reach where they beat me put. He reach where they saga me put. As I come this platform, I fit talk say Don Polo. I say I'll give one room for Italy. You can as well talk say you know you can as well say you give me one room. Say you fit talk say your landlord say no give me. He reach where I come they beat you put Don Polo. Talk true.
I dey come.
Even yesterday, a lot of people come dey write me for my
See,
DM.
may I tell you something, eh? You know, a lot of people will be say promise what you want to see meet up. So said they don't feel maybe they're shame to come in. I mean, we see call the back say, I'm not listening that level.
Yes, yeah,
Come in, I mean,
what
understand. Me na ask person say, till they do this come for person.
things he no go fit
You
enter Benin. Man go tell the land
you
bring
fit promise
money.
me, eh? You fit promise me today now. You fit promise me something today now. One or two if you come off tomorrow. Maybe say you need the object of that thing you promise me. You understand me? So because if I be greedy person, I'll call the first for you. Money will no work. Money will no
Hey,
work. Money will
they
no
don't want
work.
you to pay me. They
You
come
company
dey
no come
beat
give me. I
me
call the
too.
cry. I mean work the money. I mean work the money.
They, you
That's
know,
because they not dey genuine.
you know
There's
what
also pray
somebody
for
write
you.
me
Supposed to pray
yesterday.
for you. Supposed to pray for you. Supposed to pray for you. May you
Bros,
forget.
if you see,
Since you no come see break, I pray for you to get.
bros, wetin I expect
I
from
bet this our
Iyore
sister wey dey
was,
dance so
hey,
this
oh,
Prince Sharon so this our sister wey dey dance so abeg this our sister so he lost him mother for Nigeria oh, and he's a single mother of 4 in Germany. Things no too balance and him mama sick well mother him late mother sick well before he late so he extract them things comot for the hand. You understand me? So say abeg, everybody wey wan help am. And one like if I feel your comment, I want maybe 1 or 2 3 people you fit comment. Na man for you let me put a account number when I feel your help am. Sharp help me, sharp something, sharp. sharp, anything at all. Any corner money, I beg me, I also give me, also follow up. No, Friday be the burial. No, Friday be the burial. Maybe no mood, maybe you see they beg them, my sister. Never beg money once. Maybe you see they talk, maybe for the year your voice, so I been money matter you come here for. Maybe money matter you come here for.
I beg, but
Make
I
more
help me. I
work,
really
more work account. That doesn't mean if maybe 1 or 2 people say me hang account, maybe you call your accounts. No my accounts. I don't know I once. Never come my live video once. Nobody don't first see for this live video once. Never come my live video. Now first time, my first time to come. Now you help. I'm not last. Me you for to me all the year. Me you give am. I could clear come Go clear come. Platon I bad. Let me to the trade the bad dog they go. My sister talk to me about Iyore Joe. Talk to me.
So I kindly like educated person that I am. I'm not a stark illiterate, destitute like them. I just said I called them. I called her. My
Na
uncle
conjime, men when about fuck for many years, then they come there. Men when about fuck for many years. One get when boom, no fit.
as an educated person that I am, I said, my call am. I call her. She can't call me with a private number. Oh, mommy princess, he may call you when I say, hey, my sister, la wo. The news anyone about shocking me. Yeah, what on it by my family member. Even on the Valentine Day, when she bring me up, they say I promised to help Edede. I was even telling her that a lot of people have been talking to me concerning her issue because a lot of people don't they send me DM say they don't like the way they go that platform. Me where I be Oyoba, I don't know what happen. Bros, this matter why they tell you so. They deal with me. Oh. People deal with me. Big people for social media. We know they come out. We be say, we get thousands of billionaires on this social media. They know they run thing. They know they make noise. They go just the FYP. They go they watch
That is
you.
true.
They go they watch your character. That is why.
Someone you call it send money to money, send money to money. Oh, money no matter your OP.
Yeah.
See, you don't think one no say, you're in a phone one line.
Apart from
Iyore, see, Iyore is the most successful foreigner for Edo Benin people, Benin people will come out that period, so Iyore na be illiterate and Iyore na make up for all of the air. Iyore na dirty or bad, very greedy of mami water that Iyore be. Iyore eat Edo people money, Iyore eat and with disrespectful manner. With very disrespectful manner, and they collect money from her hand. One girl with all dual shout finish, Mumu carry money from men for Paris finish. He can't come. He can't talk to now. Eden Yesige, that is the biggest scam. The Eden Yesige is the biggest scam. When you just scam Benin people.
If you know where Lagos Street, I hear
what you just scam now? What you so they call the print cloth. Now call the soap rapper, they call the do do cop, mother, you do cop.
If you be Bini, you come from Bini, you are a true Bini woman.
I bet me not help this woman with there so Priest Sharon, he mother late. They won't be on Friday. You will razar. The woman sick well. I bet I beg.
Somebody give her 100 yesterday. It remains 700.
Somebody give her 100,000 yesterday.
Yes.
Make sure don't you don't make use that they borrow money. The ask this late now call you 2009. The ask 2009 and never build has finished. My sister don't be the ask where they build, no still build.
Sharon.
They move your side. This one not
okay, I hear you. Bros.
How many ask you don't be the one with the build, so be the build so.
Bros, not be sharp, but now down a long story.
No, you say the one where you build this thing and take care of your mama.
Not be that that is not there. If you have to take off my not there again now. Sorry, I know.
As in this yet now, not talk about
this one they build that be correct, can't get now.
Yes.
Now they talk now. So the only land now the only property now you won't get now. Go let us stay your hand. You know, see any transition take kind of book for any transition again.
That's why I
So you know go build, you know go use land, you know go use property to bury your mama. You understand me? So you know go use property, you know go sell your property to bury your mama. You understand me? So God will locate any help account go help you. You get me? So and you see that if you're not thief. You don't know say You already know say money no go come, your money no go come because you dey Europe. Now Nigeria people dey manipulate them. Now Nigeria people dey manipulate them. So you already know say you already know want help you. You want help because you no go see money eat for your head. You no go see money eat, you no go see money eat for your head. You no see money eat for your head. So they go block your own helping. So who want help? If I know say I want help, I know say I want help. Me not like me poor account. Me not matter last me poor account. Me not put anything when I want give her. Go say sit follow us. Me sit see front. Anything I want to help, I'm not your help. Not like say drop account. Now 2 or 3 people.
Bros, if this girl tell you one story, get story wey tell me. How can you know say person where this girl born for it not dey normal? You can't say me they use salt and water to the bath.
No, what he say now I stay for that thing.
A story long, bro. If she give you story, you know finish, you go do part 1 to 100.
But no, but if they see anything when they bother you, if they talk at art, you will get prayer, you will get
Bro,
support.
the truth be saying, as me all day, so anybody will not say in the fear to come out for where you're the way you're adults, may they come meet me. I'll tell them adult free, you know they hard. Go buy coconut. If you buy coconut, go for
8 years. Imagine when they follow for 8 years and you get big platform, you know if you help, you say me they no support time. Person only follow for 8 years, 8 years. Person only follow for 8 years. That would be wickedness.
This is the lady,
That
call me, tell me say
that greedy. That greediness go kill her.
You know why I know say this girl a manipulator. You know say no way I know say a manipulator spirit she get. She can't tell me say man don't go anybody platform. She don't rest for the matter. She can't send me video. Man play the video for you. She say me and her not the quarrel. Then the next thing, me and you know the quarrel. You say you don't rest. You can't go cut my Weibo picture. You can't cut my picture. You can't put on. You say I not get land. I not get anything. Say now only 2 years I don't spend for abroad. I am a physiotherapist. A physio. I do bone. I show you my certificate. I go send everything where I take go school for you for Europe. See, I learn handwork. I do hair. I dey do nails, I dey do lashes, I dey do cream. I still be tailor. Since when I did this,
I call people wrong now. Mama today with your fake account. I'm actually Jane. Oh yeah, internet say na in a physiotherapist now you be a be.
Yes.
Only for that name just now.
Physio.
Physiotherapist. No go cut
bring your real account. Iyore follower. If you use salt, take bath, make it burn your nyash.
Why I hate Iyore?
If you
Why?
drink water, make it turn to sickness on your body.
Now when you record the wrong, now when you record the use matter the wrong does that time. I don't think I'll get dislike for them. If you see Iyore face alone, if you be spiritual human being, if you see Iyore forehead there, you know see Iyore be an human being.
Tompolo, man tell you another thing. You know what they do?
You know what they better spirit.
They can't go right me yesterday. They say if you don't want. Bros, wait now. They say I be all those people who get depression. They don't know say we they cure people depression with prayer. You say if me no say me they not post my video again, make me send them money, make they bring down all the page. Now tell them say
who talking?
Now one this thing Tori Day. I will send you the page.
You send me the page, I go find the best picture come out. Oh, yeah, we don't need a picture.
Tell me say all of them come they send me message say if I not send them money or I not go sell that land, go give the money to Iyore, they go continue to.
No worry, send me the fake account or private account. I'll go bring the picture for you.
Man, to you. Wait, man, play for you.
I bet this lady way they dance so. He lost her mother. He won't bury mother next week.
You know me. Open your account. Why you dey fear? Open your account.
I bet this our sister went here. So this our sister went here. So this our sister went here. So I beg. Now you see you in the back.
I think they hear so. One lady for Sweden. He said that Iyore 1,000 euro. He said when he promised that 1,000 euro, he said he might not come down. He come dey panic 2021. He said he come dey panic, his heart come dey beat. He said at the young pay and salary, now so he take send out the money. Is that a good spirit?
Another password drink. Another pass salt drink for Bele. No password
My dog don't even get crop for you. Because they bath my dog.
Because of one deceive, one people deceive. One people deceive, then what they all deceive now. One people deceive, when you deceive now. One woman will come also like you for Europe. You come sit down and they carry nonsense for face.
Me and another quarrel.
They carry nonsense for face. I put for big screen.
No, they go record me. You never know this. Yeah. They cut my video up and down. Now that they do now, all of them.
Your fellow woman will sit down. You now woman will not walk. Since when you do this time, you don't get. Since when that matter die now, you don't get major work when they work for Europe. Yeah, what it be your business? What it be your business for Europe? What it be your business? What it be your business now? What it die one now? What it be your what business you they do when they fetch our money? What you really do? You don't get cramp. You don't get cramp. What you already work? Which work you already work? When they live all those lavish life when they live now. Money. Now money that they suffer they put. But more than they tell now, more than they live foolish. That's just the problem. You're not supposed to go work. You're not too big pass who they work for Europe. You're not supposed to get work. You're not supposed to get work. You're not supposed to work on the own. Basically, they play the nyash like una. But they use that money to go vacation. They use that money to go to lodge for hotel. They live nonsense like just say you get estate, you get this one, you get this one. They use that money to do nonsense. And when they go there, go and listen to nonsense story.
Tom Polo, I beg you get what I want to ask people for this comment session. She say the land not pay now. You say I not get anything, I be that real. Why you call the saga me? Why you call the cry? And you said they even dash you for land for upper, you no want. And you said somebody even dash you 1 by 2. So you get 1 by 2. Before you look for land.
Before you go promise that land, so Before you go promise that land. You feel the same money they give them for the foundation. Who want build the land? Who want build that?
She said now she won't build that. Now I know people say they not go grease. Say now your bar.
Isn't it when I want build the house, give the woman?
No, now people don't donate 6 million for the woman. I don't use the woman collect almost 6 million. You never know the story.
Which class want be for the woman? Okay, 6 million. Why not go plan for Why not use the 6 million? Why not use the 6 million to renovate the house where they leak so for the woman? Must you go buy on that land?
Woman where you not know from anywhere.
The house where the woman they stay, so not be the woman that get the house.
I don't know. I not just know about the story. I just want to say thank you, Lord, for freeing me from evil people. You know, since your view they are high, people they not get work. Most of una mona calm down, mona sit down, mona think una life.
My video happens like this. My video happens like this. Video happens like this now because
I said that they follow me for now, shop and down.
Don't take for you.
They'll soon pack come just now. Just they watch. They'll soon pack come just now.
What they want to do?
I want to use this opportunity to beg una. Many of una mama they sell food for Oka market. Some of una mama they sell okra. Una they do give away 1 million, 2 million. Una mama una papa never chop. Mona change. Adazoe working. As me do so echo wa von me. I I can't come online and beg. Anybody did this Europe, may talk say me, princess. I can't dey beg and say I never chop. Since they born me, not day. I dey work all my life, right from before I come up for Nigeria. I never even reach 20 years where I don't get saloon for Ring Road. My story, not be say go come.
You know how busy, you know how busy, you know how busy, you know how busy. No, you already know press your neck.
You already know fit. My
You know people, you know people they press the neck for that place. Nobody say you get stuff, so nobody they say you get stuff, so you get this, so you get this, so what do you already do for Paris? What do you already do for France?
now the bed where they inside room, they donate say buy am for am.
What do you already do? You boy, you see when I see the people when I go help. If I go see, if I see the people when I go help, I don't go help them. Now if I see the people when I go help, I don't go help them.
She's an informant to the immigration of France. She don't deal with a lot of people. She don't threaten a lot of people. If you try me, if you drink water, you don't get peace. If you use salt, stay back. That salt now go kill you. And say me, princess, they owe you. I know they owe you now. Now you use take come out, be want to manipulate me. My eye can't open. I can't see and say you are a manipulator. I say I not go do again. Now by force. At the measure of
immediately you ought to say the maybe the land no go work again. I call it your come be waiting.
Bros, immediately I just call am for phone. Say before I call am 2-3 days, I don't even get issue with my people, with community, everything. So now they can send me all the video. Ni aya mo bug be hotel. How they take bury and put for inside coffee. As I see those pictures, now they fair cash me. Let people come talk say me no fit talk say I never see those videos. No say boy, I know say that they call her Orionba. I don't know why they call her Orionba. Say even I tell her say my boyfriend say na Orionba. Now she come to say, oh man, me talk about Vomerianti me. We ma be me we yanti no na Orionba. Agmo ya Orionba. To God who made me.
What are you waiting for? Take the lead.
Now tell and say, but la wo by because when I see that video, me will be say I be Oba Pikin. I can't go betray my kingdom. God forbid. Even the donate, why I don't donate through a platform. I ask God for mercy because let me tell you, my people now know the truth. Mona know they pretend. Mona know they pretend. I don't want to make this story long. Leave this story long.
If the money go to the rightful source when you donate that for, and you know say maybe if I do all those things before. Now people you help. Now people you help. Maybe help. Last time
we go for stand for me.
If I say if maybe somebody follow you, somebody will say it doesn't support you, you need to support that person back.
Okay, no.
You don't need to talk say that because say who they Nigeria they go help, who they Europe they no go help.
Okay, now my brother will see where human being for wicked though. Immediately I just say Otoni rig by one guy you come out and then I screenshot her name. I don't tell them may they help me look for her. Man ask and say, don't Prince ask that guy say, do you know her before? He said they don't fair pray for me. He said how they want to do the prayer. And I say, look at witches and wizards that could not help themselves. They want to come and fight David. Do you know who I am?
He said they don't fair pray for you before.
Hey, now say una dey mad. Prayer for waiting. I come meet to now say, he say as I promised the land, everybody come they happy. Now say, I want more now go they cry. The land not go reach you in hand again. Mona go they cry. Me now come out for social media. Go back to your tears. No more happiness. Iyore no too wo your moze. Here we take come well I do. Look by over. You know the shame? You say you pass me. Why you won't collect something from person where you pass? You say I be that way, I not get level. Yes, leave me for where I did. You even they make people know me. Since where you say they saga me now, at least I don't get like 20 people where won't buy things from me. I better keep on the saga me because the more way they saga me, the more people they go view my profile. They'll come say and say, wow, this is so beautiful lady. She don't deserve this because I'm not your class. Number one, I go school past you. Number two, I find past you. Number three, I get everything past you. I can't even reach where you there. I don't know. You say you know they do a bow, but you get people where they call where they manipulate people. How many people where you don't really get for this your platform? We be say all of them, if they not come out, if snake not come out for their yansh, tortoise go come out for their toto. If tortoise not come out from their toto, boy go catch them for armpits. Nekwemu ayoyowa. When not be pampans, only sa very flat in your total social media money till evening. Or is a total area aton no bane do ya mu ebogbo ku apolopolo oba atope ise oba mi atope ise oba mi atope ise yedo nuzo mo wa yo pa wa ye va o wala wo wa be ma no ma ga mu ebogbo Iyore awa do yin mi ana mu Iyore yo Iyore do bi omo ze e bi e ba son asun anre wa na bi e mi o be oju wa kashe cruise where they wa gbe na ni awa gbale Morocco is a Morocco e dey amu odo light talk or is a talodo egbe ya tole no ya jume we no na jume ku e ona gbe pada ron if una say na lie I know they use filter. If you look me, I be person, I be yellow purple, I fine well. Mama born me on Sunday morning, on Christmas Day. You don't understand? I'm a sagualicious baby.
Na Christmas they born you.
Na Christmas Day they born me early in the morning. Mona they go the right places. Mona they do the right thing. Mona they do the right thing. Because most of us, we just did this abroad. We just lost. We just say we they do the right thing. I just want to give God the glory. Because somebody that loved me, because I say I'm not doing again, una was one
Woman like you, woman like you, cause they eat on you. All them are
You're not
deceived.
a woman like me. You're not a woman. You're not a dede. God forbid. That one to wait thousands of men don't do vaga. That one get pekus again.
They do saga.
That one get pekus again. That one get pekus. That one where they put pint liner. They sit down for one video. That way they wear yansh. Look me. Go view my profile. See, look me. Look me. I don't do BB. Look me. Look me. I don't do BB. Everything about me, na normal. My comments, may you see me. My saga.
But you don't do BB. You don't do
Put me
BB,
for
man.
big screen. Put me for big screen.
You don't vessel. You don't vessel.
Put me for big screen.
You know what that big screen is
for big screen.
You reach operation online. What that big screen by force?
Look me. I don't do BB. I know they wear nyash. Now my real nyash be this. You
they shake.
See my yansh dey shake. You dey see am. You dey see am. You will be say your yansh not flat. You don't see am. You be person. You will dey put pant liner. You dey now your wa. Your toto don cold.
What be part liner?
Your toto don cold. Iyore. Easy boy say your toto don cold. You dey craze. What about?
Mahmoud, you want saga Iyore, Mahmoud.
My saga you. Who you be? You don't be person. Share this video, may reach her. You tell me saying the peace for house. As a therapy, why be say which medication she want to use. She call me say now, or we was a gear me so ni na pa gbe with the ayari mi ayo wa feme. Now say
princess na truth, down na truth.
Me? Now what for you?
No, na truth. Wait, no, na that one for you is not truth.
Obigbo, you know why I leave Iyore? Obigbo tell me say if he the fuck Iyore the peace for us.
He tell you face to face. If I've only
I tell you.
No, wait, you know say if you know say you start to watch me when you start to tell you immediately like na truth. We dey talk na truth abi na saga. Na truth.
They tell you. I don't know. Me they tell you so. You don't know Iyore. Now what if they do vagara? You know say normally man go stay with woman. Now what for you?
Okay, Igbo ma odogu with Iyore no dey again.
No, he don't leave am because their bed, they wet all the time.
Now I don't eat Iyore money, don't run. I don't eat Iyore money, don't run. Now eat now when I can eat.
Man, no saga you. Look my hands now.
My brother, you know this our platform. He who alleged must prove.
Look me.
I dey enjoy this gist, so leave am. I just dey enjoy. I dey enjoy this.
He who
I dey leave am.
alleged must prove.
Leave am. You go prove to me. Leave am.
I be full
Me dey enjoy.
package.
Me I no dey stop am. Me dey
Which
enjoy.
I'm saying now only you there, not be all of us there this platform together. Why you go prove to only you?
You don't prove to me now. Now you prove. Leave am.
Mama, not first, so Mama, I bet you get the proof of
I talk about
whether
the
you
gist
or
now. I don't
not.
like her. I talk about the as the gist now. I like her. Beg.
Una do like saga, sha? Una like saga.
No, you're finished, Amo. You don't give us what you don't be saga. Mama, continue. We there, we dey enjoy.
Una
No.
like saga. Una like
No, that one. So
saga.
that one wait. So that one wait. So that one wait. So that one. That one so na saga one. You really
He who
prove.
alleged
See
must
the
prove.
peaceful cause nobody dey talk.
I beg, I need donation. You get one woman wey dey France. He want use synthetic to blind my eye. We need to donate her for that. Who they say? I beg comment on the comment section.
Do you see Ever what they talk to you for here now?
Mama, you be ever though.
You see na
We
lie,
need
oh.
to donate for Lady Juliette Enofe of France.
You see na lie, oh.
Because her synthetic won't blend my eye. So we need to donate her for the woman. The too much of
saga, you're small. Ma tell una na God I wear so. I know they wear
okay.
man.
Okay.
I know they
I
use
dey comment
saga,
section. If
they
you don't
do.
saga and finish,
You know the wear good now. You know the wear good. Now you use people want to buy good.
Everything where she they wear, na so dash. Either the dash and pants or the dash and
I don't say
wig.
na truth. Now you the eat.
Now what for you?
That your this way they just now this fit I will say no good. That your face it cost change.
No, this one good. You get
You want
what?
to
You get what?
Okay, carry on.
You get what? You
I
get
mean, I
what?
want to just see your national. I want to see your national.
If they not give me baby lion, I not talk again. Maybe they give me baby lion.
You don't know go for me baby line yo. Na Sharon dey na borrow for this sign.
I be follow come Siam. I be follow come. When she take they sit down for chair, only sari with 2 man, only sari go flat. See me now. You know they see my height. I be 6.5. You dey see am? Una like saga, see all of them, all the laugh. Hey, wait with me. Anywhere. Now this thing they wear foam, now they put for in bra. See my breast, see am. You no get breast.
Say it free.
You no get.
I shower to your eye. Say it free. Now this is a pour for your eye. This thing is a pour for your eye.
No, he say you are free. No, he say I don't free from
Okay. Now see you remember. I see you remember.
6.5. Oh yeah.
Now W for 6.5. Now see you remember. Best way can see you remember.
Ite wiga moto nwe, imagi moto nwe, wagi gbere ba. Ite wiga moto nwe, imagi moto nwe, oni sane farafara. Oni sane ye farafara. No ya we,
If go the shop na money, go the shop na money. Now this one also go carry land, give Iyore before now. Go also carry land, give Iyore.
egi money sane ya we lelu we gbo ya kian.
Mr. JJ come o. Mr. JJ come o. You start go carry land, a whole land. You want go give Iyore land. Therefore you your land then.
Bros, may I still tell you another one?
Sample.
Bros.
Wait, I dey come.
Wait, this one, may I tell you this one?
Tell me. You know you're my apropos girlfriend now. You know my apropos girlfriend now. You know you're my apropos girlfriend. Just me.
Wait, una know why she know the fit stand like normal human being?
You know they sound like normal human being.
Bend down like this. Ekufo.
You know they sound like normal human being. She don't sound like normal human being.
No, she not fit stand the way I stand. So look me. Attention. Artist.
But no, tell me, you do your belly, you do amo.
I be follow call. Siana.
No, I'll give you my number. I'll give my WhatsApp number. This better not be follow come. So you do belly. Not you want to tell me say no do belly. You do this your belly. Oh, but you will comment. So if this woman depressed me like this kind of depression, more me too. Me up my own depression. You come. Can you be my depression? They say you
I don't
depressed.
do belle. If
See,
it's soon, I know they
see what they comment. See what they comment. What they comment. So depression. This pressure it talks for yes to this person.
He say I do belle. She not do belle.
He said.
No, I don't do belle.
He said this. He said this woman is depressed. So Jenny White. Jenny White. Can you comment that comment? Jenny White. Can you comment that comment? Jenny, when you come in that comment, no man swear for you. I like this kind of depression. I like your depression. Me like this kind. If not depression, this was depression. Me like I'm.
Man, show you wait. Depression.
Show me. Man, off the comment section. Then the power type. Show me.
Depression. Wait, man, show you.
I'll leave out the see. I'll leave out the see. I'll leave out the see now. I won't only want to see the view. I won't only want to see. I like this kind of depression. I like this kind of depression. She's not depressed.
I will show you the depression where you both give me $10,000 this morning.
How much?
I will show you.
You won't depress me with money. Not depress me with money. You not depress me with money. She's not depressed. So me, I like this kind of depression. Me like this kind of depression.
Bro,
I like this kind of depression.
Hair just come from Vietnam. Bros, now depression be this. Human hair.
Marcian. Advertise. You they say I do advertise.
Bros, depression. Depression.
It's not talking I do. It's not talking I do. It's not talking I do.
You see depression.
I say you not better depression. Me like this kind of depression. Me like this kind of depression. I like this kind of depression. I like this kind of depression. Me, you like this kind of depression. Can I depress with you? I feel depressed with you. Come now, no they show again. Don't do. You don't show. No, they throw away. You they give me work. Oh, no, they throw away again now. Who walk up back now?
Bros, can you ever wear that kind of hair?
Nah, then now, why they throw it? If you won't give me work, I like all this kind of thing.
People, they will go pack her.
No, they give them work now. Oh,
bro, see here.
The JJ, what you have with the JJ? No, they show me a guy. Don't see him. Close down. Don't let them see me. Don't let them see him.
Baby, don't carry me go where I don't know.
Well, say your laptop, but you know your people. Before they say, ma.
Good afternoon. People when they say she get depression, I like my business now shop be this one.
No, me like this kind of depression. Me like this kind of depression.
This woman, he get school where we say he get school for Nigeria.
Depression, I know you can give una land.
See, so not be small. Yeah.
What do they write? Topolo. So wait make another man. What do they comment now? What do they comment? What do you make other person add in my body? What do they talk?
Now God, I save her. So wait, this say he come up for that.
Princess Empire, you don't marry. You don't marry.
I won't show.
You don't marry.
Bro, see, I will show you something.
Me leave the man. Me not be man. Me na woman. We shall be get man.
Topolo, come.
We shall be get man. Make the man they go Joe. The man will fight for her. The man go fit beat Iyore. Shall be get man. You don't get man again. Don't get man. The man don't go. Let me be the new man now. Be the new man.
For me, leave my sister.
Give me your sister. I go take care of your sister. I'll fight for her.
Topolo, come. My sister.
You are so man. You saga my baby. You saga my sugar mommy. You saga my sugar mommy. You no get store. It's Iyore store now. Iyore go to the yesterday. Iyore guest store 1999. When back on Europe. I guest store before. Atiti. Iyore want Atiti shopping money. Now the Atiti for Iyore and I wait beneath me do Iyore. Now you dey pay on her back so. None of us see anything. Iyore na do to na. All the Atiti. You know the restaurant now, all the artists shopping, all the artists now shopping. Now the artists shopping move for Paris. As they drive pick up. I the thing if you drive pick up from Spain from Spain to from Spain to France. I did drive pick
What
up
a
go meet
shame!
Iyore.
What a shame
up.
of some of una
Pick
women
up
for
now
social
Iyore
media.
now drive
Una
go
no
to see
dey
Iyore
work.
pick up.
Depression. Anybody wey write depression, now depression will be your mama.
No, I like this
your
kind of
papa,
depression. I like
your
this kind of
sister.
depression. I like
See
this
am?
kind of depression. No,
See
they
am?
swear
You dey
again
see am?
now.
Talking back.
Oh.
You dey see am? You dey see am?
No, they show something again. No, they show again. I like it like this.
You no need to, you don't hold anybody, I beg. No, now we will know you, I beg. Princess forget, I
See
beg.
am?
Which of
This
na
one
we know
another
you? Na
session.
me know am.
This one another session.
Na company. This one na company. Na company. Oh.
God punish una generation wagbe o. Ma bring session of goat come out, no be shower. Session of goat.
For her head, though. But the one you put business for her head, though, not be small.
Okay, he go dey show the store like he go dey show this place like this for Iyore.
You dey see am?
But the one business, so not be small. Not be small meat, oh.
Punish una generation. Una no know una class. Let me tell you, don't
Forget
come
these people.
online when you see people start insulting them. Mind what you say to people. I work for my hard-earned money. I'm a very hard-working woman. I have never been depressed, and I hold you guys no explanation. I'm just a person who loves to give. You guys just come, you start talking, una dey ranting. Una dey craze. Some of una still grow. Una still grow.
So no be ashawo money. So no be ashawo money. Oh, that go sit down for that side though. You wey dey comment that comment now go mute you.
I no hustle for my life.
I go mute you. No dey talk that word. You wey dey talk that word, I go mute you.
Every all woman una see go dey call them ashawo. Not be ashawo, eh?
No.
Which kind thing be this? Una know
You
who she be.
you go show. See, you go show Iyore this store. You show Iyore this store.
You dey craze? If you not get 20, I won't show you cash, $10,000.
Princess Topolo, they ask you question. Princess Topolo, they ask you question whether you show Iyore
Don't
this
provoke.
store.
This my sugar mommy. I don't provoke.
Yes.
This my sugar mommy. I don't provoke. Why you call it provoke? Na sugar mommy. Why you call it provoke? You go show Iyore this store. You go show Iyore this store. The thing I go ask you money. The thing you no go pay them. You go show Iyore this store.
It is, my dear, it is not alpha, eh? It is our way.
You go to show Iyore store. You go to show Iyore where get up. Why? Now say you know Iyore. You get luck saying Iyore not tell me you said the store. Go ask. You get one woman where they call. Where they call that woman? You get one that lady with this pain. That lady with this pain. That lady with this pain. Where they call that lady with this pain? Say JJ. JJ. That lady with this pain. That lady with this pain. Osawe no who. Abi they call her. Osawe no who.
Yeah.
The way they shop down our bed, where they shop down our bed, that one our fish you call it can go for Nigeria. Bro, you didn't shop.
Yeah.
We'll keep on now. Why they do like this man?
Iyore, I no go give you.
Yes, you don't do. Not they show anything.
They shop.
Don't do.
They shop for someone also work. They shop that woman. You didn't shop at Ben. You didn't shop at Ben. You didn't shop at Ben.
No,
You
princess.
didn't shop at Ben.
No, princess. Yeah.
When also waking up at Victoria.
You didn't shop at Ben. You didn't shop at. You didn't want to shop at Ben.
Una dey see am.
That one donate. They show money again. TikTok will bring you down. They show money again. They show evidence.
He dey mad.
Evidence is the true evidence. They don't show evidence again.
For his stuff. It be like saying I'm keep back there for the then they call the set for that store. So I even passed the else now. I forgot bad luck.
Okay, do you my guest store? He guest store.
It gets on now.
You didn't shop that woman finish he blackmail am.
Hey, bro, Tabe, put me for small scream. I owe nobody explanation. If
Let me
you know
so.
you are in need of
You're the biscuit. I don't like this set. I don't like this set.
your mama, your papa get depressed.
I don't like
Just
this
take
set
care
when
of them. Okay?
Osaro.
Listen. As
Osaro,
I
I'm
dey
go
so,
store.
if una want to view me every day,
When I need you enter Victoria now, woman guest store.
But don't close the store. Don't close the store. Because it's
They
still
don't close. Guy, I said they throw away
Me,
property for
I
outside.
be done before I come
Man, really
abroad.
big one.
Not be trolley carry me come. Yeah, I not pay trolley. I not do pekus for here, do pekus for here. I'm not trying to insult
Princess,
anybody,
Ivoni say,
but don't call
I
a
come out
woman
for
like
this
you.
way. Come out for this way. Princess, Ivoni
Ma
say,
put this, ma they come and put this,
Ivoni
ma put
say,
this,
Princess is
ma,
okay. Ah,
ma
Bros,
put
you
this
dey see
tea.
here. Bros, you